Hey everyone! Have you ever wished for a tool that makes SMS marketing super affordable? Well, dreams do come true. If you've been spending a fortune on SMS campaigns and still not getting the results you want, I've got something that will flip the game for you. Today, we're diving deep into the TextLink Lifetime Deal, a revolutionary SMS marketing tool that's shaking up the industry with its affordability and ease of use. No matter how experienced or new you are to SMS marketing, this deal is something you don't want to miss. So, let's explore why TextLink could be your next favorite tool. What is TextLink? TextLink is an affordable SMS marketing platform that lets you send thousands of text messages using your own devices and SIM cards. It's designed to reduce costs while simplifying SMS campaigns, making it ideal for businesses of all sizes. With no-code bulk SMS tools, API access, and browser-based messaging, TextLink ensures seamless communication with your audience. Plus, it's GDPR-compliant and easy to set up in minutes, helping you run campaigns effectively without breaking the bank. Last chance for unbeatable lifetime prices on AppSumo. Okay, let's talk numbers because this deal is insane. Regular pricing for tools like these could burn a hole in your wallet, but the TextLink Lifetime Deal on AppSumo starts at just $39. Yep, a one-time payment, no recurring fees. Now, let's break down the tiers so you can decide what works best for you. License Tier 1, one-time purchase of $39, valued at $275. Send 5,000 messages per month. License Tier 2, one-time purchase of $69, valued at $448, send 10,000 messages per month. License Tier 3, one-time purchase of $139, valued at $950, send 25,000 messages per month. Plus there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. For most important features that make TextLink extraordinary. Lowest rates on the market. TextLink's unique infrastructure allows you to send messages for less than a penny each. No-code bulk SMS campaigns. Not a tech expert? No problem. You can run bulk SMS campaigns effortlessly by uploading a CSV or Excel file. Advanced API access. If you're into automations, you'll love TextLink's 3 APIs for sending SMS, verifying numbers, and running bulk campaigns. Browser inbox for 1:1 conversations. Chat directly with customers using your web browser. Who can make the most of TextLink? E-commerce businesses, marketing agencies, SaaS companies, local businesses, event planners, freelancers, nonprofits. AppSumo's special, 10% extra, just for our customers. Love discounts? Here's how you can save even more on the TextLink Lifetime Deal. Visit the AppSumo page for TextLink. Sign up with a valid email. Wait for the 10% off promo code to land in your inbox. Apply it at checkout and enjoy additional savings. Math lovers, this means you'll pay even less for an already discounted deal. Pretty sweet, right? What buyers are saying about the TextLink Lifetime Deal on AppSumo. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Alright, folks, this is your sign to act now. With pricing starting at just $39, this is one of the best SMS marketing deals out there. Transform your SMS campaigns, save money, and connect with your audience like never before. Click the link in the description, explore the features, and grab your TextLink Lifetime Deal before it's gone. If you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth reviews, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.